What's up, Flomies? Catherine here of Infinite Cummings.
Hey guys, Jesse Hart of Full Circle Phenomenal.
We are super excited to be unboxing and presenting our new Flow Arts props from Ultra Poi.
I'm unveiling some Vortex Poi today, some really awesome LED Poi.
And I got a Ultra Hoop Shuffle.
Her first official LED hoop.
Goodness, I've been trying to make an LED hula hoop on my own, watching tutorials on YouTube a couple of times, and none of them have been successful.
With the amount of time investment, not to say that it's cool to make your own props, but I think it's good that we leave it up to the professionals if we don't exactly know what we're doing.
So we've got here today a box that was sent from the United States. We're here in San Cristobal de las Casas, Chiapas, Mexico, and excited to be unboxing this today.
Let's open it up.
Flip it over.
But Catherine's is first.
I don't know, I think this might be the poi.
Oh yeah.
Aww. Aww. I love the bag it came in.
After you.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm freaking out.
Maybe. Do you need it again?
Nope. Oh yeah! I'm so excited! These are pretty curly white. Yeah, I do need that because there's tape all over it.
Be careful with it.
I know. Let me give that back to you. Okay.
Excellent.
Snap.
This
This is probably the batteries. That is exactly what it is. Oh, they gave me a sticker. Ultra Poi. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so it looks like I got everything in here. 2 sets of batteries, and they come in a little case. That's epic. This looks like a Li-ion battery
That's
universal charger.
Mm-hmm.
This is a charger for the batteries, so they're rechargeable. That's super nice. And this is
Instructions on how to use it.
looks like it. Here, I'm gonna get close to the camera with the sticker.
Ooh, that's epic.
Yeah.
All Flow Arts companies seem to have such epic logos, eh?
Woo! That's cool. I'm excited to put this on something. Close, you got sticker, instructions, and the hoop itself. Sweet, let's see yours.
Okay. Excellent.
Oh, heck yeah.
This is exciting. So we'll take some time now to charge these up and give them a proper review and
Yeah.
demonstration.
Let's do that. We're gonna wait until the nighttime to record a couple of videos and then hop back here on the video for a little personal review on what we think about these props after they're charged and used.
All right, see you in a moment.
So that was fun, going a little cave exploring. Jesse just introduced a new word to me that spelunking is cave exploring. We really enjoyed testing out our new LED props. I tested out the hula hoop from UltraPoi. This is a just over $100 hula hoop, and it has so many different color patterns, color options available. I really enjoyed that feature, that every minute it switches to a different color pattern. Though if there was one thing that I could change about this hoop, it would be the ability to change manually what color it's on. For example, if I wanted to dress up in a red costume and put on a red LED show, I would have to wait for that minute of a window of opportunity for that red to be in full effect. The only option that I have is a little button right here. This is considered off. Now there are two little holes. Like a regular hula hoop, this thing presses in and you can either take it apart and change the battery, or put it together. To turn it on, you push it even farther in. Voila. I did get an extra battery set, but I assumed that what it would come with is just one little thing of batteries, and it only takes one battery, so that's really nice. These came fully charged, so I didn't have to get them more set up. All I had to do was put the battery in and turn it on, and it was good to go. The tube itself is made out of a quality polypro material. I enjoy this material personally because it's more grippy. And I also ordered this hoop with the sanded feature, so it's sanded down on the inside such that it's easier for me to maneuver. If I didn't get it sanded, it would probably be quite slippery. I'm finding that this hula hoop is a little bit slipperier than my other polypro, though my other polypro has been used a little bit more, so the wear on it is a little bit easier to grip, right? This one in particular has a weight on the opposite end from which the battery goes in. I would highly recommend this because if not, the weight is going to be a little bit offset. This is going to be, for now, my #1 recommended LED hula hoop because, for one, it's affordable, just over $100. They ship out of the country, which is super cool as I'm in Mexico right now. It is multicolored. The size and quality is great. I love how they give you the ability to choose what size while you're in the shop purchasing your product, as well as little additional add-ons like if you want to weight or if you want a little bit of grip tape on it or whatever fits you most. Thanks for watching my review. You can follow me as I take this hula hoop all the way around the world on the Unite the World Firsthand Global Movement, driving around the world with Jesse in this camper, the Yoda home. And if you do get yourself a Ultra hoop from UltraPoi, I do hope that you enjoy it as much as I do.